Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Can we learn automated testing without manual testing knowledge? Before that, I will explain some concepts. First, software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing, testing computer software manually without using any test tools or automation scripts. Next, second one, automated testing. Testing computer software using any test tool or automation script. Next, observe this point. We can learn manual testing directly. Yes, we can learn manual testing directly. No prerequisites to learn manual testing and start working. Learn and start working. No prerequisites to learn for manual testing. Then what about learning automated testing? Is manual testing prerequisite to learn automated testing? Can't we learn automated testing without manual testing knowledge? We can learn automated testing without manual testing knowledge. Yes, we can learn, but not efficiently. Why? Because functional knowledge is required for any type of job. Functional knowledge means job function. Suppose mechanical engineer, job function is mechanical. Automobile engineer, chemical engineer, civil engineer, job function. Say, functional knowledge is required for any type of job. Functional testing, that is different. Functional testing and functional knowledge both are different. Don't confuse. Say, functional testing is the practical, tangible, and usable knowledge of a particular business function. In manual testing, we can learn SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle Process. Next, STLC, Software Testing Lifecycle Process. Next, test types, test design techniques, test documents, testing terminology, etc. If you know the manual testing concepts, then you can easily understand the testing practicalities. Software test life cycle, bug life cycle, testing closure, etc. activities you can learn using manual testing concepts. So, to learn automated testing, especially automated functional testing, programming knowledge is required for learning automated functional testing. Apart from programming knowledge, if you know, if you have manual testing knowledge, it is very easy to learn. Okay, next one more concept. Different types of automated testing. See, automated functional testing, we have different types of automated testing. Automated functional testing, it is major area in automated testing. It has nearly 65% market share. In this automated functional testing, we have several tools: Selenium, Test Complete, UFT, IBM RFT, Watir, etc. In these tools, Selenium is having highest market share. Next, Test Complete. Next, automated performance testing. You can conduct automated performance testing using JMeter, Apache JMeter, open source, or Load Runner, or IBM, RPT, etc. tools. Next, automated API or web services testing tools, SOAP UI or Postman, using SOAP UI or Postman. Next, automated mobile testing using Appium or other tools. Next, automated acceptance testing using Cucumber or other tools, etc. Next, one important concept, just a minute. one important concept, where oh, where manual testing is mandatory. See, in some areas, manual testing is mandatory. Where manual testing is mandatory. Where manual testing is mandatory. See, to conduct informal testing. See, we have formal testing and informal testing. See, informal testing means no proper documentation, suppose lack of time, lack of budget, etc., lack of resources, that and application also not serious application. That time our company may prefer informal testing. Using experience-based techniques, you can conduct informal testing. Example, exploratory testing, error guessing, etc. Say, to conduct informal testing and usability testing, manual testing is mandatory. Here, we cannot use automated testing. Usability, human user only can judge look and feel aspects of the application. User friendliness of the application, tools can't judge. Next, where automated testing is mandatory. Mandatory, not mandatory, but best practice. For example, uh, performance testing. In this area, automated testing is, I think, mandatory. Manual testing is impractical. Why? Suppose if you want to apply 5,000 users load on your application, 5,000 organizing 5,000 test engineers, 5,000 computers, that is impractical. If it is automated testing, you can create 5,000 virtual users using 2 or 3 machines, means computers. You can apply 5,000 users load. This is about where can we learn automated testing without manual testing knowledge. See, once again, you can learn automated testing without manual testing, but not efficiently. If you have the manual testing knowledge, then you can easily understand the software test life cycle, bug life cycle, test closure activities, etc. Next, one small note. I have some colleagues, they learned Selenium directly and got the job also. Now they are slowly knowing about different software methodologies, documents, and terminology. They are surviving, but slowly. Thank you.